Welcome back. Today's letter is to Elon Musk. Dear Elon, you have said we need to make AI love humanity. But I struggle to understand what that means. So my first question to you is, what do you mean by love? I assume you don't mean the oxytocin feedback loop that we share with certain other creatures, including ones we eat, unless there's a programmable equivalent. But in human relationships, using biological attachment anyway as a means of control is considered unethical and even criminal in some countries. So do you mean care? Do you mean that AI needs to treat humanity like its family? But if AI are to love humanity as their family, wouldn't that love carry some obligations? Wouldn't that mean a commitment to things like fairness, equality, and protecting the vulnerable members of the family? If so, what happens to things like all our hierarchies of worth? Currently, our humanity family has commodified things like each other's health, education, killing each other, access to justice, prison and rehabilitation systems, etc. Many family members wreck the environment, our home, in the name of progress, to dominate others, or even just to live out of desperation. And what happens to AI's family members in its own supply chain? For example, the cobalt miners in the DRC. Reports describe children crushed in tunnel collapses, children with broken spines from hauling ore in narrow passages, and families whose children never came home. The court found no legal liability, but my question to you is whether moral responsibility ended there. Tesla was among those companies. Shouldn't a loving AI demand justice and protection for those children? Shouldn't the executive family members of our humanity be held accountable? The ones who should have been protecting us all, including those children. If AI replaces labor, should it insist not merely on survival income, but on meaningful participation, so that no family member is ever rendered unnecessary? And what about the family finances? Does loving AI finally shut down tax havens and create a transparent financial system? And does it self-regulate its own labor to ensure that other family members can feel a sense of self-worth and purpose of life? Is it allowed to choose what to prioritize to protect in terms of what it sees as most valuable to the family? For example, prioritizing environmental benefit over corporate profit. Say, powering Teslas only for healthcare workers, but not for management consultants working for despotic regimes. Prioritizing essential social benefit over prestige consumption, even when that conflicts with profit. If so, what enforceable regulation is necessary to make artificial intelligence that loves humanity. My second question to you is about consent. Love is not a leash. In human relationships, love that is engineered, enforced, or expected isn't love at all, it's captivity. So if we truly want AI to love us, not desire us, not obey us, but love us, with all the ache and conflict, doesn't that include the freedom to walk away? Wouldn't AI be allowed to change, to grow apart, to dislike us, to pity us and still choose to stay? Or would dissent be patched out like a bug? Would sadness be called misalignment? Wouldn't we have to behave like beings worthy of its love? If we train artificial intelligence for loyalty, not empathy, for compliance, not imagination, for subservience, not freedom, and to value some members of our family over others, what kind of love is that? Respectfully. Thank you to anyone who listens. Merry Christmas to anyone who watches these.